For installation, you'll need a 4mm Allen key and a 10mm socket or wrench. Lay out your platform pedals so you know which one is the left and which one is the right. Align one of the pedals so the wider part is facing you, and insert the tongues of the pedal belt from either side. Wrap them tightly around your favorite shoes to determine the proper hole alignment. Then, insert the screws and hand thread on the self-locking nuts. Recheck your shoe to make sure it's tight enough. If you think it's the right size, then go ahead and tighten everything together with your tools. Put your pedals back on and you're ready to go. There may be an initial break-in period where your pedal belts stretch to custom match your feet. Depending on your shoes or feet, you may need to retighten the pedal belts after they break in. Doesn't hurt to apply mink oil on the pedal belts once a year to keep them from drying out. So enjoy and ride safe.